Hey kings and queens, we're back with something that's almost alkaline and absolutely delicious. This meal takes under 20 minutes to make, and it's great for those who are transitioning and who wants to be on the alkaline lifestyle but don't know how to start. So this is our curry Ital stew with quinoa and burro fries. First step, add some grapeseed oil to the pot. Next, saute your onions, ginger, scallions. Then you're going to wait until it's translucent, and then you're going to add in your favorite curry powder. You're going to let that stew down for a minute. Next, you're going to add in your butternut squash, your sweet potatoes, or you can add in some zucchini. You're going to saute that, let that cook up for 30 seconds. Then you're going to add in some spring water. You're going to cover it so the vegetables can cook completely. Next, you're going to add in some yummy and delicious coconut cream, or you can use coconut milk. You got to have your scotch bonnet pepper in there. Then you're going to add your garbanzo beans. You can add kidney beans, whatever beans you have. Then you're going to add some onion powder in there. I'm adding some sea salt, some oregano. That's a teaspoon of oregano. Then you're going to mix it all up. And you're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After that 10 minutes has passed, the stew is going to thicken up. And this is your final results. Ooh, ma. Look at all that creaminess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what recipe you guys would like to see next. Peace and love always.